Hi, this is Dr. Habiba Faisal and I'm making this video just to thank Team Medastra. I have cleared my PLAB 2 exam and have recently registered with GMC, and the credit goes to Team Medastra. So I cleared my PLAB 2 exam in second attempt. In my first attempt, I found that there remained some communication gap between me and the course provider. And we IMGs are new to the UK's healthcare system. We have so many questions on our mind that how the system works, how the patient presents, how referrals are made. So, in my point of view, Team Medastra helped to bridge that communication gap between a student who is new to this system and how the system works. I'd like to pay my special thanks to Dr. Sarah, Dr. Avan, and Dr. Mubashir, who not only motivated us but helped us in every possible way. These people really got worried when we're not able to give our best, and they try to address our concerns in every possible manner. Your SPS sessions is really good because in SPS session you receive genuine feedback on your performance. The fit cards are amazingly written and they give you the overall picture to how to deal the important cases regarding the management plan, the initial diagnosis, how to take these things. In the end, I would like to say that Medastra is like a family. In Medastra, you would not feel that you are away from your home. If you want to shine like a star, then Medastra got you covered. Thank you.